Boral FMAS. Australia ranks among the top countries with extensive road networks, yet only 17% of its roads are paved. To address this challenge without relying on costly imported equipment, local companies have developed innovative solutions. The Boral FMAS, based on the Iveco Stralis truck, is a prime example. This versatile vehicle combines the functions of a roller, dump truck, and asphalt paver, allowing it to pave roads at speeds of up to 7 km per hour with a working width of 3.6 meters. Beyond its efficiency, the FMAS design minimizes risks to infrastructure like power lines and bridges, making it a practical and effective tool for improving Australia's roadways. Circle C Equipment Bale Stacker. Circle C Equipment offers hay balers that cater to even the most demanding farmers. Their American Eagle model stands out by automatically grabbing, stacking, and neatly arranging hay bales, even accommodating changing shapes. With a maximum capacity of 18 bales measuring 90 by 90 centimeters, it simplifies the baling process. Best of all, a single operator can control all functions, eliminating the need for extra labor. Additionally, the American Eagle unloads bales with such precision that they can be stacked in towers several levels high, ensuring efficient storage. Pavelli STV. Pavelli, a global leader in customized trailers for over 40 years, continues to innovate in transportation solutions. Originating in Italy and now supplying to America and Asia, their STV model boasts an impressive payload capacity of 23 tons. Unique features include a sliding structure that adds 3 meters to the trailer's length and a vertically aligning rear axle unit activated when the ramp opens. This design ensures smooth loading for machinery with low ground clearance, offering convenience and reliability for diverse transport needs. Rosenbauer E5000 Rescue Stairs. The Rosenbauer E5000 is a state-of-the-art fire rescue ladder used at major German airports. At Hanover Airport, this 5.5-meter-high ladder, powered by a 341 horsepower engine, can reach speeds of up to 105 km per hour and is operated by a single person. It is also wide enough to accommodate 2 rescuers with a stretcher. Meanwhile, Munich Airport uses an even more advanced model from Rosenbauer, capable of rising up to 8.5 meters, allowing it to rescue passengers from aircraft as large as the Airbus A380, one of the world's biggest airplanes. This innovative design ensures fast and efficient rescues from all aircraft sizes. Eskes Cleaning. At large festivals with tens of thousands of attendees, the amount of trash left behind can be overwhelming, with broken tents and waste piling up. Eskes Cleaning specializes in post-event cleanup using advanced machinery like the Hermanis. This machine works like a vacuum cleaner, equipped with powerful magnets to pick up everything from screws to tent pegs in one go. With their team and specialized equipment, Eskes Cleaning ensures efficient cleanup, making it easier to handle the massive waste left after large outdoor events. Einride Scale Project. The logistics industry is embracing new technologies to enhance efficiency, with robots playing a crucial role. One exciting development is the Scale Project, a collaboration between Toyota specialists and the University of Gothenburg. This initiative aims to automate and optimize goods handling. It uses Toyota's automated forklifts in warehouses and electric trucks from Einride, which are authorized to operate on US roads. These vehicles are capable of traveling up to 300 km on a single charge, marking a significant step towards more sustainable and efficient logistics systems. Terramac RT14R. The Terramac RT14R is a versatile tracked vehicle built for challenging terrains. Both its chassis and cab rotate 360 degrees, offering exceptional maneuverability. Measuring approximately 6 meters in length, the RT14R boasts a payload capacity of 12.7 tons and includes a dump bed with a 60 degrees dumping angle. Although its top speed is only 10 kilometers per hour, this machine excels in remote, muddy areas where speed takes a back seat to reliability and efficiency. Perfect for off-road jobs, the RT14R ensures smooth operation even in the toughest conditions. MST Müller Safety Trailer. Fighting fires in electric cars presents unique challenges, as flames can reignite and demand vast amounts of water. In one case, American firefighters needed over 100,000 liters to extinguish a Tesla Model S. The MST Müller Safety Trailer addresses this issue with a specialized design capable of holding and cooling fire-prone EV components. With a capacity of 177,000 liters of water, the trailer is invaluable for tackling EV fires and can also assist in combating other large-scale blazes. Its utility is especially critical in regions like Germany and the EU, which faced record-breaking wildfires in 2022, devastating over 700,000 hectares of forest. ZIEGLER Merkur. The TRV Z1 Merkur is a groundbreaking vehicle designed for emergencies in tunnels. With dual cabins, it eliminates the need for turning around, ensuring quick response during critical situations. Tunnels present unique hazards, like fire and smoke, which rapidly deplete oxygen, making swift evacuation crucial. The Merkur's all-wheel drive allows it to accelerate up to 60 kilometers per hour, while its spacious interior can accommodate 12 passengers. It also carries 400 liters of water and provides oxygen for up to 5 hours, making it an essential tool for tunnel safety and emergency rescue operations. Trecol Arktica. The Trecol Arktica is the ultimate off-roading vehicle, designed to conquer snow, swamps, and extreme terrains. This innovative machine boasts a payload capacity of up to 4 tons, with an additional 1.5 tons when towing a trailer. Its all-wheel drive and impressive 53 centimeters ground clearance ensure safe navigation, even in the Arctic. The massive 1.6 meter diameter wheels tower over most people, providing unparalleled stability. Powered by a 170 horsepower diesel engine, the Trecol Arktica offers seating for up to 21 passengers, making it both rugged and spacious for the most demanding adventures.